Namaste and welcome to Tips India, a solution of all your wedding problems. We hope at this time of pandemic, all of you are keeping your calm, staying in peace and accepting the situation as it is. Tips India is a group of young and dynamic wedding planners who are not only passionate about their dream jobs, but we love to give a live reality to your imagination and make your special day the most memorable day of your life. In past few years as a wedding planner, we came across a lot of families who not only chose us as their wedding planners but gave us a lot of love and made us a part of their family. Quarantine might have stopped us from stepping outside our houses, but it gave us a lot of time to sit back and think about all the people we have met so far. Thinking about these people, we thought of meeting some of these newly wedded couples for whom Corona was not only the challenge to deal with. Their newly wedded life gave them a different sets of ups and downs altogether. So here we are, peeking inside the lives of some of these newlyweds and listening to their tales of quarantine together. We present to you our quarantine series, #Couple Stuck, filled with love, laughter and hopes. Today we have an everlasting blooming tale of Karan and Riya connecting with us from Bhuj, Gujarat, जिन्होंने बचपन में ही कर लिया था डिसाइड कि मिलकर करेंगे दुनिया से फाइट. Let's hear the quarantine tales of Karan and Riya.
Hi everyone, this is Karan and
Hi, I'm Riya.
she's my better half. We got married in last November. So the love story starts in 6th standard. Yeah, we met in 6th standard and then we were together in our graduation college. And then there is long distance in our masters. And we got married last year in November. Yeah.
Was the party of two enough for you, or you wanted more people to be around? Like you missed your friends, you wanted your friends, or दोस्त वगैरह चाहिए थे?
No. No.
she is like no, just we are good, but मेरे लिए for some instance people is
For PUBG.
must because for PUBG for PUBG and stuff, and because I was more kind of outgoing person, तो फिर मेरे को कभी ऐसा होता है कि no, we should go out, hang out with people, but this situation has not allowed us to go out. But yeah, now things are getting better, so we are going out and meeting people.
So generally, it takes 21 days to get a habit. Staying together for 24/7 for more than 70 days, did you get any habit of your partner which he does daily or which she does daily?
He's organizing stuff. That habit is very good. So
Yeah, I do organize things,
yeah.
but it improves. वो घर पे ही रहना तो घर organize करेंगे, but that's not a habit kind of thing. But yeah, we started eating healthy food and all that things. Again, there is no such improvements in habit, but yeah, this sort of things, so small. She was watching Marie Kondo, right?
Marie Kondo.
She got inspired from her.
That's
Okay,
amazing seeing
now we have to organize each and everything. So yeah.
Quarantine kept you away from friends and families for so long. So did your partner compensated any of those feelings for you? Like did you find a friend or a sibling in your partner?
She always takes care of me. I don't think so. इसमें कुछ. What about you? It's always the same thing.
I'm the boss now.
It's always the same. Yeah. It's always the same.
She's the boss now.
She is the boss. So but she must have noticed something in me. कि मैं अगर उसका राजू चाचा बन गया हूँ, so I don't know.
No.
So that's the new relation. रामू.
लेकिन रिया तो बॉस बन गई है.
Yeah. So.
What was that long due activity you really wanted to do with your partner and finally quarantine gave you the time to do it?
So yeah, we have taken up a course in stock market and we are observing this together. and we are
Wow.
threading and all that things have gotten up. She also got interested in that. That's all. Also, I wanted her to get into, and eventually she got into. So it's a good thing for her and for me as well. So we both are waking up early for that, watching the markets and all that things. Yeah. So that's the new thing we learned.
Nice. Stock market classes, huh?
Yeah.
Cool stuff.
So this portion is especially for you, तो ध्यान से सुनना। वो लेट नाइट कॉन्वर्सेशन, वो बुरी डिश बनाने में भी एप्रिसिएशन, वो एक दूसरे के लिए सजने का पैशन, वो ऑनेस्ट फीलिंग्स का एक्सप्रेशन। Did you get to relive any of your firsts again?
Going through all the things we gave each other because it's my hometown, it's my home. तो मैंने यहीं पे सब स्टोर करके रखा था. So we were going through those things, and yeah, eventually those memories came up, and it's like ये मैंने तेरे लिए बनाया था, ये मैंने तेरे लिए दिया था, ये मैंने ऐसे करके कराया था. So they were like that, and we were there were so many things, and trust me, she has given me 100%, and I just have given her 0.01% things. So that I
am
came
a
to know.
creative one, so if I have to say sorry, I create a card or something like that. So there are so many things.
So all those memories came back again जब हम ये सब देख रहे थे, and we were like, oh, तब फिर I got a Uninor card. तब Uninor चल रहा था. So we were like, तब हम 5 बजे तक बात करते थे. आज तुम 5 मिनट में सो जाते हो. I was like, yeah, okay. So those were the times.
Riya, अब इसको तुम बोलो कि start doing things for you. Like you have to match up Karan.
Yeah.
अब उतना करना पड़ेगा. अब सारे कार्ड्स देख के रिया is winning now.
अब तो आ गई हूँ घर पे, अभी तो करना ही पड़ेगा।
अभी तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
Any new romantic quarantine patch-up hacks कि यार अब गुस्सा हो गया इस तरीके से भी मान जाता है या इस तरीके से भी मान जाती है, ये तो इतने टाइम में पता ही नहीं था. So anything like that, anything you invented.
So yeah, अभी हाँ, I mean पहले मैं भी सामने गुस्सा हो जाता था, but now
मुझे मनाना बहुत इजी है।
This is my secret, okay? I'm just revealing it जो जिसके ऊपर मैं यूज करता हूँ. So I become more calm, and पहले रिया ऐसा कर दो की जगह पे रिया ऐसा करते हैं. Yeah, we should do. So it has become that. It has become that now. So that's the thing. Yeah.
It is more become about we. चलो हम
हम
सब
दोनों
करते
करते हैं ऐसे. हाँ.
पर वो
Hey, it's
होता
good
नहीं
way.
है।
पता नहीं है.
वो हम कब चला जाता है पता भी नहीं चलता।
Okay.
As you guys are coupled up in the house for so long, what is that one thing you want to do as soon as the lockdown lifts up?
Honeymoon।
Like everything.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be like, okay. So yeah, we haven't got chance to go on our honeymoon. So we would like to do that first once this is over. Yeah.
Guys, तुम लोग का honeymoon pending है.
Yes. We were planning.
First anniversary.
We were planning, but नहीं हुआ. Might be on first anniversary. तब touch wood सही हो जाए. Yeah.
I hope. पक्का हो जाएगा. Don't worry. So the movie dates are going to be on the couch or at the theater.
Couch।
Who did most of the household work, Superman or Superwoman?
Me.
Who panicked more about Corona?
Me.
Who decided on the menu every day?
Me.
What was that most done activity during quarantine?
Market
watch। Trading।
Good job, guys. You did all right. Only one was wrong, so it is almost 90%. सारे ही सही हो जाते हैं अगर करण चीटिंग नहीं करता तो. Thank you, Riya. Thank you, Karan, for being a part of the show. We really enjoyed talking to you, and thank you for sharing your personal and quarantine life with us. So, moving towards the end, would you like to say something to our viewers and give them a nice goodbye message? and then we can wrap it up. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, and thanks to you,
You
thanks
and your
to Tips India and your teams. So, thank you so much, guys, for bringing us on this platform and let us share our experience in this quarantine and lockdown period. So, we wish you all very good health and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिले के छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिले के 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 सब कुछ मोरा छीनी रे मुझसे नैना मिले के छाप तिलक